Now we are switching to the second part of our lecture in which we will discuss the practice of the Naitalim education system in our institution. As said, I have expended 25 years in six types of the institution where practice of the uh, value system is being done marvelously. First of all, we are seeing the slide of the evening prayer. Evening prayer is organized every day at 7 p.m. where boys and girls both are participating, and all the faculties are also participating in the same. Uh, at the end of the prayer, there will be the bhajan dhun, and then one spiritual or the talk, ritual talk, or some kind of the story, or maybe small clip shown to the student, which may give them a very good message to the student regarding the better life and better thinking. And also this platform is utilized for uh, guiding the student regarding the character building process. Uh, we have already added the program of um, Vipassana Dhyan camp in the MRS program. Also, we can say the self-protection introspection program. Similarly, in the BRS, there is a yoga camp organized as a part of the syllabus. In the BRS program, we have a 3 days activity in which experts from the outside train the students in the yogic practices. Also, our in MRS program, students are sent for the 7 or 8 days. Up to 10 days, they are sent to the different centers where these types of the Dhyan, Yoga, and its practice and training given to the students. So this is useful program. It is also adding some values among the students because it gives a opportunity to student for the self introspection, and in the future life it will useful to students. Now this is the uh, this slide shows the pictures of the dignitaries. As institution has a regular program of inviting the various experts and dignitaries from the society. They are from the different walks of life and different fields. Like some of the scholars may be from spirituality, maybe from the Gandhian philosophy, economical field, bureaucrats, or maybe the rural development and management side. So these lectures are making the students and guiding the students regarding the best practices in the life and how we can decide what is good and what is not good. So some useful ideas are given by the dignitaries. Not only that, it allows on develop in-depth thinking among the student community, so they can see the things in a better way in the life. Uh, Also, we have a regular uh, interaction with the our students, faculties, and even the parents. So this is the opportunity utilized by the institution for guiding all these stakeholders so that better practice of the value system can be made. And also there is a interaction camps organized by the institution majorly for the character building process, in which all the faculties are required to participate, and all the workshop organized by dividing the different faculties in different teams, in which different topics related to the community life of the campus are given, and people in the different team discuss in the depth, and they have they give the presentation on the whatever the discussion they have made, and ultimately there is a solution, um, getting the solution of the different problems in these types of the process, behavioral changes and other requirement for the better development of the student's personality. We organize the regular exposure tools for the faculties, because faculties need to give us their experience of the those places and the organizations where the practice of the better uh, better occupations like agriculture, or the betterment of the water resources, or the other area of the life where there is a demonstration of the a better experience. So faculty goes there and become the part of that experience, and get it with them, so that it can be transferred to the student community. Also, students are given with the sufficient facility of reading and surfing and even internet use, uh, so that they can get the in-depth knowledge of the various problems prevailing in the society. Even national and international issue can be made aware by them, as they have a habit of reading the different literature and regular reading of the newspaper and other sources. So this is the important part, and institution encourage the student to regularly read and do the their own knowledge base for a better understanding of the issues. As it is needed to have a interaction with the expert from outside, because the many of the problems of the society are to be understood in a manner so that we can find a suitable solution. Like the problem of the scarcity of water is more acute in the region of the Saurashtra. So we have organized the water problem and solution related seminars. Also, institute is organized the camps for the better cultivation practices of the farmer. Even farmers exposure camp are organized, in which the exhibition also taken place, and practice of better management of soil, controlling an insect and pest. All these programs are organized by involving the student. So not only they get the exposure, but they have an opportunity to know and understanding the entire system, and ultimately after all they become the useful researchers. Even as extension should be the part and parcel for disseminating the knowledge, but we use this opportunity for training the student, because students are there to know the things, and they can transfer that things to to the villagers and the farm women and other visitors coming from outside to the campus. So different agricultural technology or the different experiment going on the campus are to be discussed by the student to the visitors. Even children's camp are organized by the institution for facilitating the better child development practices. If we want to connect with the surrounding society, then it is needs to have a interaction with them, and we are getting that opportunity in the different by attending the different camps and seminar organized for the farmers and farming community by some of the organization. And also we institution is also organizes such type of the program. So faculties are going there and getting that opportunity to interact with the people and society, and make themselves aware about the what are the problems faced by the farming community, and help them for finding the solution. So such kind of the good relations build up is possible. Students are involved in the process, so they can be more sensitized toward the rural society and the people. Uh, it is also a similar kind of exposure where various scientific tools and practices are demonstrated among the visitors in the institution. Uh, as institute is actively engaged in the on-farm research work by involving the student community. But what are the results we have achieved from such kind of the experimental work and such type of the on-farm research work? That can be done by inviting all the stakeholders, even officials from the district level departments are invited, and all this program is opportunity for the students to handle it and arranging it, and have opportunity to interact with the different experts and even to the farmers. So this gives them more exposure, and also making them more responsible toward the society. Uh, Disease diagnosis camp for the milking animal is organized on the campus, and it has been observed that students are getting more and more interest and get the exposure of the various diseases normally prevailing in the milking animals, and how doctors are treating them. So this is the exposure, and also it is the platform for the student to connect with the farmers and farming community, and useful guidance from the veterinary doctors and other experts are available to the students. As Mahatma Gandhi ji and his philosophy is a part and parcel of our institutions, we always taking the opportunity to disseminate the thoughts of the Mahatma Gandhi among the villagers. So we take the opportunity on the 2nd October, under which all the faculties and students visit the surrounding community. Almost 30 villages are covered in this program. Entire day program are organized in the different teams in different villages. There is an interaction with the farmers, and also the program for the children in the schools, and visit of the progressive farmers, and exhibition on the different prevailing issue, environmental issue, and other things are made. So all in all, there is a opportunity to connect with the surrounding society, and students get useful exposure and making them more relevant to the social issues, and they understand the issues in the better way and sensitize them for the social responsibility. Uh, Disaster management is nowadays is one of the required front. Thus, institution is always take care to give the training to the student for the better disaster management practices. As institute has taken the opportunity to send the students in the Kashmir, even in Assam, where at the time of the some earthquake or some natural calamities. Even our students have done lot of work in the Kutch earthquake. At that time, we entered one team of the students sent to the Kutch area. They stay there for 1 month and serve the people. Similarly, at the time of the flood at the Surat, our MRS student and faculties had gone there, and they have helped the NGOs and government for distributing the food packets among the needy people. So such type of the help and facilitation by the student to the community at the time of the natural calamities, it definitely sensitize them and make them rather more connected and more making them better human being. As we need to have an exposure of the different organization working for the rural industries, even institutions engaged in the research work for the farmers and the rural society, so that exposure can be made available to the students by organizing the regular organizing of the study tour for the students, in which there is a 10 or 15 days program of visiting the different location of the state has been organized, and students get very good and useful exposure for them. As visit of the progressive farmers and villagers is the regular phenomenon, because whatever the problem prevailing in the society should be reflected in the classroom, and what are the problems discussed in the classroom can become useful to the surrounding society. So such type of the connectivity and visit of the people and their students connection to this kind of the people will automatically improve their understanding of the issues of the farming community and the problems at the farm, and they can know the better techniques for improving the agricultural production. As deprived area are existing, and still they need the help from the government and NGOs for improving their quality of life. But institution is always taking care to organize such camp for in the deprived area, in which students are sent there for the 10 days. They get the opportunity to interact with the such people, visit the home of the such people, and also visit the organizations working for upliftment of deprived people, and they come to know the problems and difficulties faced by these such people staying in the remote areas, and ultimately students are sensitized towards their problems, and ultimately it will become useful to the society, as such kind of the students are, when goes to the society, become rather more better human, and become try to become helpful to the needy people. Uh, Various performance of the uh, cultural programs, or the stage performance for the various dance, traditional dance, are made by the students. It connect with the our Indian culture. So, and also it will be the opportunity for the student for demonstrating their skills, and better exposure to the our traditional skills in these types of these stage programs. Experiment on the organic farming, experiment on the different kind of the natural practices, biogas plant and other, even the experiment in the laboratory for testing of the soil, and studying the uh, various meteorological parameters. So these kind all laboratories available in the campus are making useful exposure to the student community, as we need to have we will have a evaluation of the whatever the program we undertaking. So we organize parent meets regularly, in which our faculties get an opportunity to interact with the parents of the student, those who are studying over here, and parents are allowed to express their thoughts and experience of their children, those who are studying over here. So this is the character building process, in which there is a lot of behavioral change among the students community are observed, and a lot of parents have accepted that there has been a lot of change observed among their children by having the education in the Lok Bharti. And Lok Bharti is using this opportunity to make the parents involved in this character building process, and also it is useful for the development of the students. Uh, uh, Not only the feedback from the regular students are taken, but feedback from the alumni students is become part and parcel, so that at the completion of their study, students are coming to the campus, and we organize the program for them also, so that they can share their experience. So after 10 or 50 years or so, after completion of their degree program, students are coming to the campus, and really they are expressing their satisfaction for or having this opportunity to have a study in these types of the campus, where value education is part and parcel. Uh, Many of the practices of event preparation are done by the students. Campus beautification is the area where all the students are work together, and they work in the different teams, and even get the joy also. I would like to quote that value education is not teach theoretically, but we should give them an experience, and also give them such kind of the atmosphere, so that they can take it from the atmosphere, and ultimately a good human being can be developed. This is also campus beautification practice, preparing the tools for the cleanings, preparing the food on self basis. So these are the different practice, and this is the practice of sowing of the crops, cutting of the fodder crops, cleaning of the campus. As this is the different practice of our institution in which 750 hours of the productive labor work should be done by the each student at the end of his graduation. During the 3 years period of time, these hours are distributed and all the students have to complete it. And these hours are available to them, and during these hours they have to work in the different department at the campus, and different kinds of the work operations and works or the activities have to be undertaken by the students. It will give them the exposure and experimental knowledge, and not only that, it sensitizes them toward the laborer or toward the people, those who are getting their livelihood by working physically. So it is useful sensitization among the student community. This is the practice where the students are involved in the with experiment, even they are involved in the treatment of the diseased animals. This is also practice of the research work. So they get not only the skill, but they become aware that if you want to develop as a nation, we should have a more and more research work, and we should provide the better and better varieties of crop to the farming community, so that the productivity of the various crop can be raised. So this kind of the opportunity will enhance their positive thinking, and also make them more skillful, and allow them to think in the scientific way. Uh, Similarly, we can see the experiment for the animals, for their nutrition, and also for their different parameters of the better management practice. Experiment on the field, on the different crop. Here we have a museum of the crop, where varieties of the different crop are shown. Even different kind of the species of the crop are grown in this particular area, where students come to know, and they can identify the varieties and the species of the different crops, and different crops grown across the different part of the state. Uh, Experiment at the farmer's field, as I already said before. So these are the also a interconnectivity with the society. Institution has always used the platform of the education for the better development of the society. So students not only train in the better way, but they get lot of self-confidence due to these types of the experimental work. Survey work is the important part, as to know the what is the situation existing in the field. So students are going for the survey work regularly in the surrounding society. As a part of NSS activity, vaccination campaign, village cleanliness campaign are organized, and it become very much useful to the students for their sensitization, and in future they can be more aware of these types of the activities. This is the practice of the arranging dental camp, and also the plantation of the tree in the villages, cleaning of the villages, etc. Sports program for testing their physical abilities, and also getting the some kind of the happiness by the students. So this is also a regular part of the activity in the campus. Uh, as we should be more sensitive toward the children's, because children's are the group they should be loved with, and also various issues of the children can be understood in a better way. So institution organize the kindergarten camp for the 7 days in the campus, in which students are trained in respect to how they can go for the training of the children, and how they can handle the education of the children. So this is the important practice done in the campus. Learning by doing is important, as living together is the important part of the community life. So we organize various celebration of the national festivals like Republican Day, Independence Day. All the students are involved in the same, and they get some kind of the national civic sense also, and national responsibility. So this is the rather national integration program undertaken at the institution level. Uh, as traditional festival are, are celebrated in the campus, it will become opportunity for students to enjoy, and not only they enjoy, but they connect of the nature in human life. This is the part of the community life where we can play together, eat together, work together, and this is the student council where the students are being given with a different responsibility at the campus, and they become the stakeholder in the managing the different programs at the campus. In this student council activity, students are also getting and practice of a democratic process, and it is useful to them, and also it will develop their leadership skill even. uh, Teamwork is needed every time. So institution has always taken care of that. Even there is a rector committee which is regularly meeting at the campus, and they discuss the various problems of the student development, character building, and other behavioral issue of the student, and find out the solution of the same. And similarly, other programs organized on the campus with the better participation of all the faculties. As syllabus is a part and parcel, it is also prepared by involving the expert from the different walks of the life, so that the syllabus in the prepared, which is actually need based, and student get the better and better employment, and also get the self confidence if they study the different subjects which are actually relevant to the society and societal problems. as quality should be monitored. So various such committees are operating which are taking care of quality control mechanism at the campus. So this is the practice of internal quality assurance camp, and it will also work on the what kind of the experiment and what kind of the programs to be organized for the better better skill development, and not only that, better attitude development among the student community. Campus interview is also a similar kind of the exposure for the student where they get the opportunity to test themselves, and even sometime they get employed directly at the completion of their degree program. Institutes has a practice of awarding to the alumni student those who work successfully in the society in the different fields like education, rural development, women empowerment, water conservation, and different practices of the organic farming. So as many as 50 alumni students have been awarded by the institution. This is the useful demonstration for the student because they can get the inspiration from the same. How we can perform better in the society, and how we can become useful to the society as a part of the society, and also how we can address the national issue by giving our effort in the better way. So this is demonstration for the students. At the end of the session, I will again quote that value education is not the program which can be teach, but this is the program in which we should provide the enough of experience in the different academic activities, and not only that, we should provide such kind of atmosphere at the campus there is, so that there will be a better relation between the teacher and student, and there will be a better relation between the institution and faculties and parents of the students, and also a better connectivity with the surrounding society. So this kind of the approach has become useful to the institution in the man making education. So we all are aware that if we want to produce a better engineer or better doctor, at the same time we should produce the better human being. So this is the man making practice, and it can be done, and it is practically possible, and it is the demonstration taken place in our campus. I have tried to give the detailed account of the various practices in the campus for students' character building and value education. Uh, I think you may like it, and question regarding this, you may pass it. This is my address and email address, telephone number is stated over here. Thank you very much.